We are not going into the playground until everybody is quieted down.
Close that door quickly.
What?
Please.
What is it?
Look. We've got to get the children out of here.
Shh. All right, children, now quiet. Quiet. Miss Daniels would like to see how we conduct ourselves during a fire drill. I would like you to show her how quiet and obedient you can be. We're going out of school now. I want those of you who live nearby to go directly home. I want the rest of you to go down the hill all the way to the hotel. Now, is that clear?
Yes, Miss Hayward.
Melanie? I want you to go as quietly as possible. Do not make a sound until I tell you to run. Then run as quickly as you can. Now, does everybody understand?
Yes, Miss Hayward.
All right, John, you lead the way.